Hello and welcome to Wimpole Street Dental Clinic. My name is Christian Mel. In the following small video we would like to show you what you can do if you have received a root canal treatment and the tooth has darkened over time. The procedure is called internal whitening, and in the following video we show exactly how we do it and what we use and how the process works. So thank you very much for your time, and we really hope that you enjoy the video.
Root canal treated teeth can change shade over the years and get darker. In this picture you see a crown with a discolored gum line. Removing the crown, you find a very dark tooth. The discoloration comes from blood products that went into the dentine while root canal treatment was performed. Over the years they have darkened the tooth. In a procedure in which whitening gel is put inside of the tooth for 1 to 2 weeks, one can brighten up the tooth. This process can be repeated 2 to 3 times until the original shade is reached. After that, a new crown can be fitted. In this picture, you see the gum line is bright pink again. Or, like in the second case, once the whitening is finished, new matching fillings can be placed. Thanks for your attention.